today is Monday and I'm on my 30 minutes break right now, but I don't feel like eating anything yet, so I'm just going to relax here. This Christmas tree, I'm trying to make it look fluffy. It was looking very scanty. In fact, I was disappointed when I opened the box. The Christmas tree came in, it was looking very scanty, but now I think it's looking a bit okay. I'm still going to get more ornaments for the tree. I had to get I don't know what's called, I don't know the real pronunciation of that round stuff they hang on the door. So I had to put it in between here, then start opening the trees so that it will look more full. I don't know, even the Christmas tree we buy from Balogun market, it doesn't look this scanty. Although it came with Christmas lights though. So I'm going to show you what it looks like. I think it looks better this way. I got the idea from YouTube.
And it will land good.
So hi guys, what's that on the floor?
Oreos.
So we just got back from the store and we bought a lot of Christmas ornaments. We are still in the mood of Christmas.
How about the socks?
I bought this pyjama shorts from Walmart.
How about
We
socks?
also bought our Christmas pajamas, matching pajamas. So,
Mommy, how about the socks? There's
can you
a...
take it upstairs? Can you carry it?
Yes.
We can say hello to the camera.
I've already said it.
Say it again.
Hello.
So we bought more Christmas ornaments. Then we bought Christmas stockings. We don't have a fireplace, but we're going to be putting it on our TV stand. So I just bought this too. I'm going to hang it somewhere. And I bought more balls for our tree. More balls. So our Christmas tree is going to be having just red and gold balls. More of the gold balls. Then I saw this and I saw that it was cute. I don't know where I'll put it yet, but I'm going to find a place to put that. So it is. And I bought this cute cup for my smoothie. As you all know, I've been eating healthy these days, and once in a while I take smoothie. So this cup will make me to portion my smoothie. So can you put it in the kitchen, please?
It's fine.
So let me take it out now. So guys, I will see you guys later after I must have put up all the balls and hope they are enough for the tree. My name is Moni. I just thought to start another vlog today. Today is Sunday and we will soon be heading out to church. this morning. I just thought to start a new vlog today. So this is what I'm wearing to church. One thing I like about this place is that nobody is looking at you. So unlike Nigeria, that when you are going to church you have to be dressed, your makeup has to be on point, you have to wear your high heels. But here, just throw on whatever you have and you're good to go. So this is what I'm wearing to church, and I will be wearing my black jacket on this. So I'm just waiting for the rest of my crew to be done and we will move. I fell ill a few weeks back and I went to see my doctor. So when he ran all the tests, and one of the reasons why I really wanted to see a doctor was because of the way I was losing my hair. I don't know if this happens to most people that relocate here, but if it happens to you, I would like to know in the comment section. I've been losing a lot of hair. Immediately I got to Canada, my hair started cutting, and at first I wasn't really bothered because they were just little cuts here and there. Maybe when I comb it, you just see it's cutting as if they use blade to cut it small. But as soon as we started winter, the hair started chopping off. Started really chopping off, and the middle of my hair is gone, completely gone. I'll show you. I don't know if I'm going to be showing you the picture or the video, but if I am, I'll put it somewhere on the screen. And my hair started chopping off. At first I even thought my enemy had one terminal disease, but I knew that I did check up before coming to Canada and I'm okay. So when I went to see the doctor, he ran a series of tests and he found nothing except that he advised I eat healthy, and he advised I start eating healthy and doing a lot of exercise. So that is what I've been practicing that since I saw the doctor last week. But yesterday I was able to go to the store and get fruits and vegetables and salad and all those healthy things. So I'm trying to be, and I've also started exercising. I don't know if you watched the video of one exercise equipment I got from Center Flave that is in my store. The only thing about that is I have to go to the garage to do my exercise, and it's usually freezing cold in the garage. But I've been doing the exercise religiously and all that. Only yesterday I wasn't able to do my complete 30 minutes because one of the legs of the exercise machine came off, but we're able to buy a tool to fix it. So my husband is going to help me fix it today so that I can continue my exercise tomorrow. So that's that about that. My power bank is upstairs and I'm feeling very lazy to go and get it. I think it's bright enough. So I want to drink water. So I made a research over the week and found out that people that drink from bottles that are like this, that you have to suck it, or people that drink from straw tend to have wrinkles when they are old. So I don't know, ever since I clocked 30 years, I've been paranoid about getting old and looking all old and ugly. So I've been trying as much as possible to take care of my skin and to do all the things that will make me look good when I'm old. So ever since I found out that sucking from a bottle or a straw makes you have wrinkles, especially from this side of the face, I've decided to open my bottle to be drinking water. So I'm just here waiting for the rest of my crew to be done. Then we move. Yes? It's your daddy's friend's car now. He traveled back to Nigeria, so he came to park his car here. Nothing now. Why will you use somebody else's car? Don't you have your own? So my husband's friend traveled to Nigeria, so he came to park his car here. He will be back in 2 weeks' time to get his car. This weather here, hey. Hamatan is learning walk. In this Winnipeg weather. So I think I'm done with the Christmas decoration. I also have some, I think I made a video. I also have some decoration I put on the staircase and outside here and also at the door downstairs. So I think I'm done with Christmas decoration for this year. And today is 3rd of December. We'll be heading out to my sister's church in 1 hour 30 minutes time. They are having their Christmas carol and she invited us. My niece will be singing. My niece will be singing in the children's choir. So we are going to go there and watch her. So that is that about that. So I'll just quickly put this away. I bought this oats for swallow. I don't want to be eating poundo and gari for swallow anymore. So this is what I'll be eating and swallow with my vegetable soup. I made vegetable and ewedu soup during the week and they are already in my freezer. So I just waited till today to buy this. This is about I think $19 or $15 thereabout. It's very, very cheap. I bought it from Costco. So I'll be putting it away.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Everywhere is filled up with food.
I want to drink this water, but it's too big. Are you going to go to the house?
No?
They are going to drive.
Yes.
Are they going to pick us? No. I
Go
know.
straight to their church. I don't know how to do this one. I don't like things being all over things. I like my kitchen to be as scanty as possible. Everything in should be in the in the cabinets. I don't like clumsy environment. Let's take one now. Are you taking to school tomorrow?
No, I don't like it.
You don't like it?
Because it used to taste bad in school.
Because it used to taste bad in school.
Yes. Because my school used to smell like food.
Because your school used to smell like food.
Yes. It's a Christmas song.
Yes, now we are here for Christmas carol.
I thought it's that one. Mommy, I thought it's that one.
It's the same place.
Tonight to remember and celebrate.
Carry the gospel and then